Today I have a Bentley pipe service. So you've seen the Bentley with the, these had a tank in them that when it needed to be refilled, then you just bought the new tank. I see these listed on eBay from time to time, saying they still work with that original butane tank in them, or an old butane tank in them. This one still had butane leaking out of it. Before I got to work on it last night, after talking to a buddy of mine and remembering that I had this in there, I decided to convert it to a petrol lighter. So, to look a little closer, it says Bentley Pipe Service, patented in USA, made in Austria. I don't know exactly whether it's just this poker. I guess you could use that as a poker as well. That's the tool that's hidden underneath there. Making it the pipe service model. It's got kind of an interesting little Flint mechanism here. The little arm comes down. So it's kind of like the reverse of the way that you keep the flint in a thorns from the top, but this is from the bottom. So there's the striking mechanism. I don't know, I had to bend that up a little bit to get that in there. The way I put it back, so I'm not sure if it was bent up to begin with. It does have some corrosion, some buildup around the edges there. But what I ended up doing, this was very simple. And this tank, I don't know if that was something that was on there to hold it down in there. Some black gunk or I don't know, some kind of residue or something, but I couldn't get it off. Seems to be kind of baked on there. Anyway, there's the case. Then here's the tank. Now, as I said, I've seen people before. These were butane inserts, and I've seen people take and put a fill valve in the bottom of them. I think there's some videos on YouTube showing how to do that. And this is my first venture into this, so I didn't. I just got busy after talking on the phone to my buddy last night, and next thing you know, I was done. I didn't even think about videoing it. but that's all right because I actually came up with two different. There's another collar down lower in there that would have worked, but then when I realized that this upper part of the old torch valve screwed in, then I just decided to use it. So that was actually much better. But I don't know if you're familiar with some of the squeeze lighters, like the MCOs, where you pull the tank out the bottom. Some of those have a very similar, actually they don't even thread, most of them. They simply just kind of, you pull a little collar up, put the fuel down in there, you know, where the wick is going down in that hole, and the cotton and all that, which that's what I put. I've got an MCO wick in here, and then a couple of strung out cotton balls. So we'll see. I'll keep messing with it. If I when I say I keep messing with it, I'll keep messing with these inserts, these tanks, and figure out the best way to convert them, and then I'll do a video of how to convert them. But anyway, this is that lighter, a converted Bentley replaceable tank butane lighter, where I've converted the butane insert to a petrol lighter insert. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video that you're watching, tell your friends about the channel. You know, you can always hit the share button and send them a link and let them get a look at it and see what they think about it right there in their text messages or email. Also, follow us across social media, Pinterest, eBay, Facebook, Twitter. It's going to be Dependable Flame or dependableflame.com. Go check out the penny start auction on the Prince Vestal lighter. And stay tuned.